Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a designer, marketer, or solo founder who's ever wished you had a full marketing team but don't, well, you're going to love what I'm showing you today. We're diving into Pomelli, a new experimental AI tool from Google Labs, and I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create marketing assets in just a few minutes. Whether you're launching a new product or refreshing your brand, you'll see how fast you can go from zero idea to visuals you can actually use. Let's jump in. So first, what is Pomelli? According to Google, Pomelli is an AI-powered marketing tool developed by Google Labs and DeepMind designed for small and medium businesses, or really any brand wanting to generate campaign ideas and assets quickly. Here are the key things it does. You feed it your website or brand details, and it builds what they call your business DNA, meaning your brand's color palette, phones, tone of voice, images, etc. Then it proposes campaign ideas tailored to your brand identity and marketing objectives. Finally, it generates ready-to-use marketing assets, social posts, ads, visuals, which you can edit or download. What this means, instead of starting from blank design docs and brainstorming, you have an AI co-pilot that's already aware of your brand identity and can help you execute. For someone who's doing solo design marketing, this is a pretty interesting lever. Before we get into the demo, quick note. As of now, the tool is in public beta in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, so check access in your region. Okay, for our demo today, I'll be using my own app, Tivra, as the brand example, just so you see a full flow from brand to prompt to asset. Here's our setup. Tivra is a tool that helps job seekers analyze their resume against jobs they want to apply for, and then proposes resume updates, custom cover letters, and even does skill gap analysis. This landing page will be used to also extract our colors, fonts, key messages, and images. Our marketing goal: create a set of social media posts for Instagram, LinkedIn, and a paid ad visual that promotes some feature of Tivra. We'll use Pomelli to scan our brand, then prompt for campaign ideas, pick one, and generate visuals. Then we'll refine, edit them inside Pomelli, and finally export for use. Here's how the flow goes. I point it to Tivra's website URL. Pomelli analyzes the site, pulls in colors, fonts, tone of voice. You can see it building the business DNA profile. Everything you see here can be edited as per your needs. In this case, it did not pull the Tivra logo as it's an SVG file. So if that happens, you can also upload your own assets. You can also edit the fonts. Choose whatever fonts you want. If your brand uses multiple fonts, you can add more fonts as well. All colors are also editable. Feel free to customize the business DNA until you are satisfied. If everything looks good, you can continue. Pomelli will automatically suggest a few campaign ideas based on your brand DNA. If you like, you can proceed. But if not, you can also describe the kind of campaign you want. In our case, let's describe one. We will say, create a campaign that explains how Tivra can help you analyze your resume against job descriptions and propose resume changes, as well as help write custom cover letters. Once you click Generate Ideas, Pomelli will get to work and come up with multiple campaign concepts. Let's select one of the suggested campaigns. We will go with this 3 steps to a perfect match. Once you chose which campaign to build, Pomelli will start creating the graphics, and this is where the magic happens. You will be surprised to see how cool this is. As you can see, it has designed a series of 4 images for this campaign that you can use as a carousel. Not only that, you have full control over everything. This is where AI really augments and empowers human creativity. You can click any of the image to go to the edit mode. Everything including the image, header, fonts, description, and even call to action is customizable. Now, I am not too happy with how it generated a custom illustration for the fourth image. Let's change that. Here you can either replace it with another image from the list, or you can even generate your own using an image prompt. Let's see what we can do with a prompt. I believe it is using Nano Banana for this. We will change this to a young professional sitting in front of their desk and looking happy. We will also tell it to have this shot taken from the back of the person so that we can see their laptop screen. And in an instant, you have 4 options to choose. Isn't that cool? Let's pick this one. As you can see, when the image changes, the layout readjusts to match the image. I am still not happy with this one. Let's change it. This time, let's add some more images from our website. One thing I feel missing in this tool is that right now it only lets me input one URL. If I have multiple pages or sites from which I want to pull images, it's not possible right now. So maybe that's something they should fix. For now, we will manually add more images. And since the last step is about cover letter, let's pick a cover letter image. As you can see, the layout completely adopted the layout to the image. The resume optimization step also can have a better image. Let's pick the app homepage for this one. And wow, I love this layout. This is cool. Now all 4 images of the campaign look great. Once you are happy, you can download these images. Or you can also go ahead to make more variations. Let's make a square version of this campaign. What it does is redesigns the layout to match a square format. We can go ahead and do that for all 4. Similarly, let's also do a 4x5 feed version. As you see, this is super cool. In just a few minutes, we managed to create a campaign. Once you go back, you can go ahead and experiment with more campaigns. So to wrap up, if you're a small team, solo founder, UX/design lead, or marketer who wants to create high-quality marketing assets quickly, Pomelli is a tool you'll want in your toolkit. The demo, using Tivra, shows how you can get from brand identity to actionable visuals in minutes, not days. Yes, you still need to apply your brand judgment, tweak copy, pick the right visuals, but Pomelli helps you skip a lot of the boilerplate work. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more videos on AI tools for design and marketing. Thanks for watching.